Okay, let me know if you can see me there. It's very far away from me there. So how's it going, everybody? Sorry, I was making tea and I ran into some more technical difficulties. You can see there's some stuff there on the right hand side. I'm trying to get my chat working for Twitch. I might turn it off in a bit there, but I'm just practicing here tonight with it. Could have came down a little bit there. Anyway, so lots of shit going wrong here. Let me see if I can get this working. We can see and hear you good. Well, Danielle is in there, Raymond is in there as well, Pity Patrick is in there. 5:45 Monday morning here. I'm not getting out of bed for this one. Go back to bed, Pity. Catch the old replay if you want. Catherine Bryant is in there as well. Who's that? M McGee is in there as well. How are you getting on? I think I see that right. Boy, that's dark. Hi Renata, how are you? Dawn Sova is watching us. Dawn was in there first, and Marcel there as well. How's everyone getting on? Hope you're all well. Can I go higher with that? I wonder. I don't think I can. So I'm on Facebook and I'm on Twitch as well. Let's see if my laptop will work or my iPad will pick up Twitch. John Timaeus is in. Patricia Finnerty is watching. How are you, Patricia? Okay. Pizza break in a few minutes as usual. Alright, okay. So I had one quick look at the post I shared, and McCrimmon is in there on Twitch. How are you, McCrimmon? And a couple of shamrocks there flying in. Very nice to have you on the stream. Let us know if there's any song you'd like to hear. And those of you who are, if you're watching for the first time, my name is Kieran. I'm streaming here live from Dublin, the Liberties in Dublin, and I'm going to be with you for a few hours. I intended to start at 6:30, but does that ever happen? No, never happens. Someone asked me before why I don't put on a timer on my streams, because I'm always late. I'm always get pulled away doing something else. So that is why. So let's let me see what came in there first. If you have any requests, start throwing them in there, and I think Boston Rose came in there on one of the on the yoke on the thing that I shared. So I'll do that one for you here first, and the Voyage came in there as well, and Katie Louise threw in a couple of ones there as well. Some of them I know, some of them I don't know. Some of them I'll try for the crack. God loves a trier. So okay, here's Boston Rose to wake me up. Rainy night in Soho. Alright, that's grand. Mary Ellen Nadeau, listening from Least. We were just talking about you last night there, and welcome home. Welcome home. Over there in Emo, I take it. For this. Now the autumn leaves are falling, and the tourists have all gone, and the children, they have all gone back to school, and my life is as it was before. I work 8 hours a day, but the company's still making all the rules. But there's a girl in Massachusetts, south of Boston town, she said, and her lovely face is with me all the day. Now I met her down in Old Tralee, golden hair upon her head, and she took my heart and I stole hers away. So goodbye, my Boston beauty, farewell, my Boston rose. I'll wait for you, I'll think of you, no threat to you I'll pose. So goodbye, my Boston beauty, farewell, my Boston rose. I wish that you were here, but I know that's the way life goes. There's a song we sang all summer long in the bars of Dublin town. I can hear it on the factory radio, and the feeling that I remember when I hear that simple tune makes me wonder if it really happened so. For we laughed and loved together till the summer days were gone, and she had to fly across the ocean wide. So goodbye, my Boston beauty, until we meet again, and I'll keep the fire burning deep inside. So goodbye, my Boston beauty, farewell, my Boston rose. I'll wait for you, I'll think of you, no threat to you I'll pose. So goodbye, my Boston beauty, farewell, my Boston rose. I wish that you were here, but I know that's the way life goes. Some nights when I am drinking and my friends are gathered round, well, just for fun, someone brings up your name. Now I smile there with the rest of them, but I can't hear a sound. You see, I love you, but to them it's all the same. And nights when I'm alone, my love, you come into my mind, and visions flash across the Emerald Isle. Well, I'll watch the moon there up above, and I'll leave this earth behind, and I'll wave to you as I go sailing by. So goodbye, my Boston beauty, farewell, my Boston rose. I'll wait for you, I'll think of you, no threat to you I'll pose. So goodbye, my Boston beauty, farewell, my Boston rose. I wish that you were here, but I know that's the way life goes. thank you very much. There's a song called Boston Roses. Adjust something here for a second. And I see a few more requests coming in there. Okay, cool. So let me see here. Let's behave. Ellen Marie is watching as well. Mara Cirelli is watching. Catherine Bryant, Bruce in playa. James Butterbox Kelly is on there as well. Paul Harrison is watching it. Bowie's on there as well. Bowie's down in you still down in East Bowie? What are you doing? James Furlong is in there watching as well. And let me see, I hope I didn't miss anyone there as well. Let me know if you're looking for no shout out. Bianca is in there. Bianca Holly's in there as well. And Rusty is in there watching as well. How are you? How are you, Ross? Okay. So let me see. Rebecca, Jackie Hope, on the way back from picking up the Chinese. Oh, jeez, a little bit of Chinese there now. We don't eat all the grapes. What did I see coming in there? Rainy Night in Soho, was that what I saw? And then I'll do the Voyage and a few more bits there. You might have to bear with me a little bit here in case I'm missing some of the requests. Because I'm on the few things. I'm on the YouTube and the I didn't even check on YouTube yet, but let me check that now and see. Let me see. I'll go to YouTube here. No jump. There I am. Let me click on that and see if anyone's watching. Yeah, for sure. So let me get this. Really nice Soho. And then I'll do the Voyage. So a couple of nice slow ones coming up. And John Timaeus, I stuck the request list in your Facebook messages. No bother, John Timaeus. I'll check that now. And I might check it on this here. I think I already have this off. No. MS just won't load there. Won't load on that. Let's try it on this. Oh, but Jesus. Okay. The Voyage. Okay, a few of them. Thursday night. I'll see all them ones there. And what I'm going to do is save me go back into it. I'll just copy it. copy it, and I'll put it up here at the top. Sorry, no, this is the trade-off for a few different things happening. I've been loving you a long time, down all the years and down all the days, and I cried for all your troubles, smile at your funny little ways. We watched our friends grow up together, and we saw them as they fell, and some of them fell into heaven, and some of them fell into hell. I took shelter from a shower, and I stepped in to your arms on a rainy night in Soho. The wind was whistling all its charms, and I sang you all my sorrows, and you told me all your joys. Whatever happened to that old song, to all those little girls and boys, those little girls and boys. Sometimes I wake up in the morning, a ginger lady by my bed, covered in a cloak of silence. I hear you talking in my head. I'm not singing for the future, I'm not dreaming of the past, I'm not talking thinking of the first time. I never think about the last. Now the song is nearly over. We may never find out what it means. Still there's a light I hold before me. Now you're the measure of my dreams, the measure of my dreams. Thanks very much. There's a little bit of a rainy night in Soho. A nice one. What the hell did that happen? A bit of a magic trick. Okay, nice one. And I'm going to bring this up a little bit higher so I can see it. Jesus, how close does this need to be to me? Nice one. Okay, that was a few people looking for that one, I think, as far as I remember. And I'll do the Voyage here now, and keep the requests coming in there as well. And because I might miss them, there's a good chance I will. And I'll tell you what's on this list here that it might save you asking for it. I've written it in Soho. Oh yeah, John Tomatoes, that's what you wrote down, I think there. That was for Sarah Louise. Good man. You're like the what did you call it? Moderator or something like that on the Twitch thing. I'm still, as you see, I'm practicing. I have the chat thing up there as well, so I'm getting there nice and slowly. I know you said I have to have the song list and all that there, but I am working on the song list because I have to go through all the artists and separate them out, whether they're Irish or trad or who wrote them and all that kind of stuff. N17 Marcella's looking for that. Glow the Kerosene Light, Daniela and Raymond. The Voyage, Daniela. The Contender, Pity Patrick, Zombie Marcel, and as I said, Rainy Night and So there for Sarah Louise. So thanks very much, John. That's super handy there for that. Thanks a million for that. Here's a Kelly and God. So I'm gonna have to go to this one here for that. And okay, let's do The Voyage. I hope my mother isn't listening and giving no. She said I sang this too slow the last time, or too fast the last time. I'm a sailor. Here we are. Oh, I can't find my glasses here. I am a sailor, you're my first mate. We signed on together, we coupled our fate. We hauled up the anchor, determined not to fail. For the heart's treasure, together we set sail. But no maps to guide us, we steered our own course. We rode down the doldrums when the winds were gale force. We sat out the doldrums in patience and in hope. Working together, we learned how to cope. Life is an ocean and love is a boat. In troubled water, it keeps us afloat. When we started the voyage, there was just me and you. And now gathered round us, we have our own crew. Together, we're in this relationship. We've built it with care to last the whole trip. Our true destination's not marked in any charts. We're navigating the shores of the heart. Life is an ocean and love is a boat. In troubled waters, that keeps us afloat. When we started the voyage, there was just me and you. And now, gathered round us, we have our own crew. Life is an ocean and love is a boat. In troubled waters, that keeps us afloat. When we started the voyage, there was just me and you. But now gathered round us, we have our own crew. But now gathered round us, we have our own crew. Thanks very much. There is a song called The Voyage, and that was for, let me see, that was for, Daniela was looking for that one. Nice one, mate. Nice one, bravo. Right, I have the Facebook now on. I think the Facebook is the busier one, I think, so I'll put it on the old iPad. I'd love some reels tonight, please. I don't have my fiddle with me, Katie Louise. I have my little tenor banjo, though I might play an old reel on that maybe for you if I can. It won't be up to Bowie standards or something like that, but it's just it's a handy little banjo. So I might be able to rattle off a couple of reels there. I get the little banjo in a bit, or maybe on the tenor guitar. I have a little tenor guitar as well. Oh yeah, N17. Doing 17 for you, and then I'm gonna bait through all these. Right, that's what I'll do. I'll go through all these ones here, and then I'll be taking the request then again. So here's N17 for Marcel for this one. And I don't even like doing a harmonic with this one. I just like doing it harmonic. Well, I didn't see much of a future when I left the Christian Brothers School, so I waved it goodbye with a wistful smile. I left the girls at home, and sometimes when I'm reminiscing, I see the prefabs of my old friends, and I know that things that we changed are gone. The time that I get home again, and I wish I was on that N17, stone walls and the grass is green. I wish I was on that N17, stone walls and the grass is green. Traveling with just my thoughts and dreams. Fella dropped me to Shannon. 'Tis the last time I travelled that road, and as I turned left in Clear Galway, I could feel I had a lump in my throat. And I pictured the thousands of times that I travelled the well-worn track, and I know that things would be different if I ever decide to come back. And I wish I was on that N17, stone walls and the grass is green. I wish I was on that N17, 17 stone walls and the grass is green. Traveling with just my thoughts and dreams. As I tumble down highways or filthy overcrowded trains, well, there's no one to talk to in transit, so I'd sit there and daydream in vain. And behind all these model of problems of living on a foreign soil, I can still see the twists and the turns in the road, from the square to the town of the tribes. And I wish I was on that N17, stone walls and the grass is green. I wish I was on that N17, stone walls and the grass is green. I wish I was on that N17, stone walls and the grass is green. I wish I was on that N17, stone walls and the grass is green. Traveling with just my thoughts and dreams. Thanks very much. N17 there for you. Nice one. Okay, I'll do Zombie here next for you. Who was that one for? I forget, but I'll look there in a second. This is this was actually kind of relevant song this week. Wasn't Dolores Reardon? She was supposed to turn in 50. This week, the poor girl. So she's no longer with us. Dolores Reardon of the Cranberries, and still a massive influence to this day on many musicians. Let me just check who's in there listening. Sherry is in there. Kevin Aylward is watching. Oh yeah, Kev, what story, man? Long time no see. What else is in there? And Kelly is in there. How are you, Kelly? Jack Whitefoot is watching. Barry Kavanagh is watching with me. BK. The Vatoni contingent is strong. Is that the right word, contingent? And Sarah Louise is in there as well, of course. And thank you very much. Picky Harty's in there. Gabriel Murphy is watching with you as well. Is it Gabrielle or Gabriel? Can't see that. Yeah, Louise and 18 other people. Okay, nice one. Stephen Savage is in there as well. How are you, Stephen? And I hope I didn't miss anyone there. I'll check back on that in a bit. But here's a bit of Zombie for you. Listen. violence cause such silence? We must be mistaken. But you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they are fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they are crying. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Hey, hey, what's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Hey, 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 oh, 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 oh. Another mother's breaking heart is taken over when the violence causes silence. We must be mistaken. It's the same old theme since 1916. In your head, they are fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they are dying. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Hey, hey, what's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Hey, 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 hey. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's the same old theme since 1916. In your head, they are fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they are dying. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Hey, hey, what's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Hey, 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 hey. Whoa, 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 whoa. Thanks very much. There is a song called Zombie. That one goes out there. Remember Dolores Reardon, fantastic Irish musician from Limerick, is where she was from. And she would have been 50 this week. So I'm going to try and another one there that came on the request there. Glow of the Kerosene Light, I'll try that one. And then I'll try, the last one on that list was The Contender, a new one I tried first time yesterday. Thanks very much. Thanks Marcel, no bother. That one needs a little bit of work, that one for sure, on the old vocals. But once I know it. My 4-year cause this the Sunbeam song. Get you a zombie. And I know I don't even like saying zombie. I would prefer to say zombie, but I want to get more into it. Do we have Paula? Is Paula Bryan in the house? Deirdre Colgan is watching there as well. Colgan, you're very welcome to the stream again. Dan Sheridan is watching as well. How are you, Dan? Kay Whelan is watching with us as well. Collie Dunn is watching. How are you doing, Collie? Nice to have you on the stream. I hope I didn't miss anyone. Jack Whitefoot there. I saw that, and hope I'm not missing anybody there. Comment if I missed. Just saying hello to you or anything like that. Now I am on I'm on YouTube and Twitch as well tonight. But see that chat there on the screen. It could be distracting there, but all the chats from YouTube and Twitch are amalgamated on that this thing here. Now I thought it'd be handy because I could read the chats from all in one, but I still can't. If I can see it, I still can't. I don't know what size I'm gonna have to have it. Giant big chat bubbles popping up. But I like it though. I like how it looks. I need to move it down a little bit. I think it's driving me mad. I won't do it now though. So yeah, here's I'm on Twitch here, but there's not much happening. Okay, so here's loving the amalgamated chats. Good. Yeah, it's nice. You can type away and you can see it popping up on the telly if you're watching it there. I think that's kind of cool. But okay. Let's see what's going there again. I was going to do something here. Oh yeah, the Glow of the Kerosene Light. So this is a beautiful Canadian song, and famous by a band called The Once. For me anyway, The Once and Hermitage Green. They're making my tea. I didn't drink it. Let me get a little swig out there. No one see. I remember the time when my granddad and I, we'd sit by the fire at night, and I listened to stories of how we once lived by the glow of the kerosene light. By the glow of the kerosene light. He said Mom and Dad sent me off to school, where I learned how to read and to write. And he listened for hours as I read from my books by the glow of the kerosene light. By the glow of the kerosene light. Your grandma and I, we were wed at 16. Lord, she was a beautiful sight. And proudly I placed the ring on her hand by the glow of the kerosene light. By the glow of the kerosene light. About grandma held my hand so tight. I can't tell the joy as she brought forth new life by the glow of the kerosene light. By the glow of the kerosene light. But having her child, it did weaken her so. She just wasn't up to the fight. For she looked so peaceful as she went to her rest by the glow of the kerosene light. By the glow of the kerosene light. Then, as is now, the times they were hard. To succeed you would try all your might. And sometimes love bloomed, and sometimes dreams die. By the glow of the kerosene light. By the glow of the kerosene light. By the glow of the kerosene light. Remember the time when my granddad and I, we'd sit by the fire at night. I listened to stories of how we once lived by the glow of the kerosene light. 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 Thanks very much. By the glow of the kerosene light. And that one was for, I'll tell you now who that was for. That was for Petey Patrick. No, it wasn't for Petey Patrick. That was for Daniela and Raymond. The next one is for Petey Patrick. So Daniela and Raymond there looking for that one. You can start shooting in the other requests there, lads. If I missed it there, apologies there. I was just trying to concentrate on these first few for sure. Lots of banter going on there on the old chats there for sure. I hope you're enjoying the music so far. So here's a Voyage. Not the Voyage, the Contender. I did this one for the first time there yesterday, and I've had it on. I made a playlist there on my old phone there for all the songs I have to learn. So they're all on it there. All the old Lanigan's Ball and Master McGrath's on it. A bit of ABBA's on it there as well. Couldn't have come with a better time. Hand Me Down My Bible is on it. All them. Clear to Hear is on it as well. But let me see here. So definitely the words for this one. And I was young. Here we go. Okay. And I was young and I was in my day. I could steal what woman's heart there was away. I'd sing and dance until the morning, blaze away until the dawning, long before I was the man you see today. Now I was born beneath the star that promised all. I could have lived my life between Cork, Cove and Youghal. But the wheel of fortune took me from the highest point, it shook me. By the bottle live, by the bottle I will fall. There in the mirror on the wall, I see the dream is fading from the contender to the brawl. The ring, the rose, the matador is raving. And when I die, I'll die drunk and on the street. You can count me out to 10 in clear defeat. Wrap the starry plough around me, hear the piper's air resound me. There I'll rest until the Lord of love I'll meet. There in the mirror on the wall, I see the dream is fading from the contender to the brawl. The ring, the rose, the matador is raving. There in the mirror on the wall, I see the dream is fading from the contender to the brawl. The ring, the rose, the matador is raving. When I was young and I was in my day, I could steal what a woman's heart there was a way. I'd sing and dance until the morning, blaze away until the dawning, long before I was the man you see today. The Contender, a nice one. That one is getting there. Still feeling my way around it for sure. And okay, I'm gonna get rid of that set list there now. I don't need that one anymore. Thank you very much, guys. Hope you're enjoying the music so far. Shoot in the request there. Test from YouTube. Good man, John. Testing. Did it come up? Did that test chat come up there from YouTube? You're a fucking legend, so you are, man. You know the crack. Like, you're probably the only person who kind of might understand the testing that would go on for the streams and all that kind of stuff, for sure. But a lot of people do actually appreciate the work that goes into it there, for sure. So that's okay. There's nobody on YouTube that's chatting. That's okay. That's totally cool. He just told us he sung it for the first time last night. That's right, I did. I sang it for the first time yesterday with Bowie here on the old stream there. So I was practicing it in my head, if that makes sense, going over the chords when I had it in my headphones. Work from YouTube, checking messages. Good man. Check. I got the next to you. No way, man. That's huge help, by. Oh, okay. I see a few one here. I got you. The contender done, and a few of them ones are done there. So let me see where I am now. And a nice message there, Bianca, as well on your page. And I hope you're enjoying the music, Bianca. If there is a song that I'm missing out, you can always just send me a message on my Facebook page there for sure. And if I'm not getting it there on the old chats. So I did a contender and I did Glow the Kerosene Light, and I'll do Beeswing here now for you. It's not great without Bowie, but I'll do it here for you anyway. Thanks very much, lads. Jolene Lee is in there as well, and nice one. Who else is in there? Pierce Phelan is in there watching as well. How are you, Pierce? Nice to have you on the stream. Leona is in there as well. Anyone else I missed? Bring them on camera. That's funny. I don't know why that happens on some things. Rose McPeak is in there as well. How are you, Rose? Julie Bennett is watching there as well. I don't want to miss anyone here. That's ages ago, is it? Those chats are a while ago. Where am I? God, I was doing Beeswing. Right, do Beeswing. Richard Thompson song, this one. And then I do have a couple of requests as well from Kate Louise in my chat as well. And then I was going to try another song for myself, a request to myself as well. I was going to try and air it out here. I did it at a gig during the week there, a live gig, and I was going to see if I could get it going. I was 19 when I came to town. They call it the summer of love. We're burning babies, burning flags, the hawks against the doves. I took a job in a steamy way down in Caldham Street, and I fell in love with a laundry girl who was working next to me. She was a rare thing, so fine as a bee's wing, so fine the breath of wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, oh, she was running wild. She said, as long as there's no price in love, I'll stay, and you wouldn't want me any other way. Brown hair zigzagged around her face in a look of half surprise. Like a fox caught in the headlights, there was animal in her eyes. She said, young man, oh, can't you see, I'm not the factory kind. If you don't take me out of here, I'll surely lose me mind. She said, young man, oh, can't you see, I'm not the factory kind. If you don't take me out of here, I'll surely lose me mind. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine the breath of wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, oh, she was running wild. She said, as long as there's no price in love, I'll stay, and you wouldn't want me any other way. We bust around the market towns, we pick fruit down in Kent, and we could tinker pots and pans and knives wherever we went. And I said that we might settle down and get a few acres dug, a fire burning in the heart, and babies on the rug. She said, oh man, you foolish man, that surely sounds like hell. You might be lord of half the world, but you'll not own me as well. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine their breath of wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, oh, she was running wild. She said, as long as there's no price and love, I'll stay, and you wouldn't want me any other way. We were camping down a gar one time, the work was pretty good. She thought we shouldn't wait for the frost, I thought that maybe we should. We were drinking more in them days, and tempers reached a pitch, and like a fool I let her run with the rambling itch. And the last I heard, she's sleeping out, she's back in the Derby beat, a white horse in her hip pocket, and a wolf hound at her feet. And they say she even married once to a man named Ronnie Brown, and even a gypsy caravan was too much settling down. And they say her flower has faded now, hard weather and hard booze, but maybe that's the price you pay for the chains that you refuse. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, and I miss her more than ever words could say. If I could just taste all of her wildness now, if I could hold her in me arms once more today, and I wouldn't want her any other way. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine the breath of wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, oh, she was running wild. She said, as long as there's no price in love, I'll stay, and you wouldn't want me any other way, and I wouldn't want her any other way, and you wouldn't want me any other way. Not too much. There is a song called Beeswing, Richard Thompson. Okay, Elvis, Saxon, Lupin, Laboutines. Okay, I'll do what was it? The Hound Dog. That one there was the Hound Dog. What's the other Elvis song there? I'll do a set here. I'll see if I can do this. I never did this before, but I'm just curious here. I wonder could I do it. This is one that James O'Connor would do. Let me see here. What is it? With a Suspicious Minds. Where is that? It says Suspicious Minds. Not too sure I can do the same key he can do it. Let me check here. And then I'll do the Hound Dog one and the Johnny B. Good one as well. Geez, a lot in this, isn't there? But I used to do it with him. Let's just see if I can do it for the crack. Oh yeah. was the other one? Tutti Frutti, or was it? No, Hound Dog. And then Johnny. Down Louisiana. There we go. Okay. I got that one ready as well there. Okay, let's try these. And I'm gonna get that closer. Tell me, is it one of my glasses? Okay. That's it. Hold on. So do something here. Thanks, Jolene. Thanks very much. Thanks very much, Peggy. Thanks very much, Sherry, as well. Thanks, Daniela. Have you on the payroll now? How to get some more? What is that? Title roll. Marcella's looking for the Jack's roll there. Having a good old cry, I think. Thanks very much, Rebecca. Appreciate it there. And I hope you're feeling good today. Hope the ankle's doing okay. Rosemary K is watching. How are you, Rosemary? Very nice to have you on the stream. Okay, so I hope you're enjoying the music there. And sorry if I'm not interacting enough there with the chats there, but I'll try and do another couple more requests here, and then I'll go back through. So here's I never tried this before. Let's try for the crack a bit of Elvis. This might be too high for me, so I might have to go back. Used to do this one, as I said, with James O'Connor. Caught in a trap, I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby. Why can't you see what you're doing to me when you don't believe a word I'm saying? Can't go on together with suspicious minds, and we can't build our dreams on suspicious minds. An old friend I know stopped to say hello. Would I still see suspicion in your eyes? See, these tears are real, I'm crying. We can't go on together with suspicious minds, and we can't build our dreams on suspicious minds. Oh, let our love survive. I'll dry these tears from your eyes. Let's not get a good thing die when, honey, you know I would never lie to you. We're caught in a trap, and I can't walk out because I love you, baby. Oh, why can't you see what you're doing to me when you don't believe a word I'm saying? You know that I'm caught in a trap, and I know that I'm caught in a trap. It's never ending here. And I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby. You know I'm caught in a trap, and I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, barking all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, oh, barking all the time. You ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. I guess, but that was just a lie, just a lie, just a lie. You said you was high class, no, that was just a lie. Yeah, you never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, yeah, barking all the time. Oh, nothing but a hound dog, yeah, barking all the time. You ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. Tutti frutti on Rudy, tutti frutti on Rudy, oh, tutti frutti on Rudy, tutti frutti on Rudy, tutti frutti on Rudy. I want bambaloo bop, I want bamboo. I met a girl named Daisy, she almost drive me crazy. I met a girl named Daisy, she almost drive me crazy. I love her, yes and yes indeed. She's the only one for me. A tutti frutti on Rudy, 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 a tutti frutti on Rudy. I want bambaloo bop, I want bamboo. I met a girl named Sue, oh yeah, she knows just what to do. She knows what to do. A girl named Sue, she knows just what to do. Rock to the east and rock to the west. She's the girl I love the best. To the fruity on Rudy, 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 to the fruity on Rudy. I want bambaloo bop, I want bamboo. Well, deep down Louisiana, keep the New Orleans. Back up in the woods near the Evergreens, there stood a log cabin made of wood. Lived a country boy named Johnny Good. Never had to learn to write so well, but he could play the guitar like a ringing bell. Go, 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 Johnny, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go. Yeah, go, Johnny, go, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go, go. Oh, yeah, Johnny Good. Carry his guitar in a gunny sack. He'd go sit beneath the tree by the railroad track, but the engineer would see him driving the shade, strumming to the rhythm that the drivers made. People passing by, they would stop and say, oh my God, that country boy can play. Oh, go, go, Johnny, go, go, go. 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 Yeah, Johnny Good. Said someday you will be a man and be the second leader of a big old band. Many people coming from miles around, they hear you play your music till the sun go down. Maybe someday you see your name in lights, say Johnny be good tonight. Go, 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 Johnny, go, go, go. Yeah, go, Johnny, go, go, go. Yeah. pretty much a little bit of Johnny B. Good getting there with that one. And I just tried the Elvis one there for the first time ever because I need to add a few songs to my list there for sure. I probably should have learned more over the lockdown. Going back gigging, I kind of find myself needing a few more songs. Thanks so much. Keep the requests coming in there, lads, for sure. I think that was the last batch there, and so fire in your request there now, absolutely. And let me put this even a bit closer to myself. And Back to the Future. That's all I can think about as well, Marcel. When I listen to that song or play that song. Are my sound effects working here? No, they're not. That's a ball, isn't it? What is that? Check that. Don't say I haven't thrown a few good songs at you. Oh, but Jesus, Paul, what, did you throw something else at me? And I wonder, could I even? No, I don't think. Master McGrath. I can't even think of the melody now. It goes. I have it on repeat there all the time at the moment. What else there? Judy is in there as well. Hey everyone, she says. Dermot Grehan is in there as well. How are you, Dermot? Welcome to the stream. Wayne Murphy is watching as well. You're very welcome, Wayne. How are you getting on? Shoot in a couple of requests there, lads. And you'd like to hear, if I know it for sure, I'll do it there. Thanks very much, Becky. Okay, I'll what is that doing there? Get away. Shoot. Those harmonies though. I think that was for another stream, was it? Oh, John Zapper texted me there again. Oh, but Jesus. Thanks a million, John. I hope don't put yourself out, man. Just relax and enjoy the stream there. Don't feel like there's any pressure on there to do anything like that, man. But that's a big help right now, I have to say. I got John Timaeus there. He's looking at your requests coming in along, and he's sending them to me. He's compiling them in a little list. Raglan Road, Katie Louise, a set of reels. That's Katie Louise as well. Are you double requesting anonymously? Yeah, you're looking for what? You're looking for a set of reels from Twitch, is it? And Raglan Road from Facebook, Katie. Okay, and yes, you wanted a bit of something else listed in there as well, and that's right, Super Trooper, and I listened to that as well just before I came on there as well. Not with the same old story. Now I'm easy. Paul, what's that one? Now I'm easy. I don't know that one. It's not an Irish one, is it? Let me know, Paul, which one that one, Now I'm Easy, is. A Step in Mary will do that one for you, Paul, for sure. The Gambler will do that one for you as well. In the summertime, I don't do that one, Paddy. That's a Bowie sings that one there. I don't actually do that. Know that one. I could try it for you there, or I could try something different for you either. So I'll do Raglan Road because it's a slower one there, and it's a little break from the faster stuff there. So I'll try a different key for the crack this time. See what happens. And then I might pour myself a can of Guinness because the tea is gone. I was thinking that. I know they're drinking pints there at the moment now. Okay, Raglan Road. On Raglan Road of an autumn day, I saw her first and knew that her dark hair would weave a snare that I might one day rue. I saw the danger, yet I passed along the enchanted way, and I said, let grief be a fallen leaf at the dawning of the day. On Grafton Street in November, we trip lightly along the ledge of a deep ravine where can be seen the worth of the passions pledged. The Queen of Hearts still making tarts, and I not making hay. Now I loved too much by such is happiness thrown away. Well, I gave her gifts of the mind. I gave her the secret signs that's known to the artists who have known true gods of sound and stone, and word in tint without stint. I gave her poems to say, now with her own name there, and a long dark hair like clouds over fields of May. On a quiet street where old goats meet. I saw her walking now, away from me so hurriedly. My reason must allow that I have loved not as I should, a creature made of clay. Now when the angel woos, oh, the clay he'll lose his wings at the dawn of the day. Now when the angel woos, oh, the clay he'll lose his wings at the dawn of the day. Thank you very much. I don't know why I did my my samurai impression at the end there. That was a song called Raglan Road, and okay, I'll do the Gambler here for Paul O'Brien, and then I'll do Step It On Mary. Paul, I don't know what Note Now Easy is, pal. I don't know what that one is. I don't know. Good man, John. Thanks, pal. I just thought there, yeah. That's the one you wrote down to remember for me the last time. Oh, oh Jesus. Are you sure, Paul? I don't even have that in my list, but I will. I'll do it right now, though. Let me just type it in here. Now. Oh. I do have it. I do actually have it written down. Big letters. Now I put an asterisk beside it. What do you think of that? Now I'll definitely learn it. 3 asterisks beside that one. I did have it written down. And now it's at the top of the list. Bernadette is in there as well. How are you getting on? Very nice to see you on the stream. Zoe Giltrap McCourt is watching with you. How are you getting on, Zoe? Nice to have you on the stream. Hope you're doing okay, pal. There were bats out tonight. Bit early for Halloween. I don't know what's going on there. Thanks very much. Lovely stuff. Thanks very much. Never normally say that. I can't believe I actually had it written down. I thought you got me, but I actually had it written down. In fairness to me. But sure, I still don't know what it is. Tell me who sings it, Paul. I'll do the Gambler for you here anyway now for the crack. For sure. I'm going to put in an order from the bar here as well if I can. I'm just going to sip. Actually, no, I need to drink water here first. Drink that first. And then get out of it. On a warm summer's evening, on a train bound for nowhere, I met up with the gambler. We were both too tired to speak, so we took a turn to staring out the window through the darkness, till boredom overtook us, and he began to speak. He said, son, I made a living out of reading people's faces and knowing what the cards were by the way they held their eyes. So don't mind me saying, could see her out of aces, her taste of your whiskey. I give you some advice. So I handed him my bottle, and he drank down and I swallowed. Then he bummed a cigarette, he asked me for a light. The night got deadly quiet, and his face lost all expression. Said, you gotta play the game, boy, you gotta play it right. You gotta know when to hold 'em, when to hold 'em, know when to fold 'em, know when to walk away, know when to run. You never count your money when you're sitting at the table. Any time enough for counting when the dealing's done. Now every gambler knows that the secret to surviving is knowing what to throw away, but knowing what to keep. Cause every hand's a winner and every hand's a loser. The best that you could hope for to die in your sleep. And when he finished speaking, he turned back towards the window, crushed out his cigarette, and he faded off to sleep. And somewhere in the darkness, the gambler he broke even, but in his final words, I found an ace that I could keep. You gotta know when to hold 'em, when to hold 'em, know when to fold 'em, know when to walk away, know when to run. You never count your money when you're sitting at the table. Every time enough for counting when the dealing's done. You gotta know when to hold 'em, when to hold 'em, know when to fold 'em, when to hold 'em, know when to walk away, know when to run. You never count your money when you're sitting at the table. Every time enough for counting when the dealing's done. Every time enough for counting when the dealing's done. Actually, much gambler. I'm gonna burst into Step It Up Mary. I'll do the kind of a version I used to do. Yeah, try it here. Can't even remember what I used to do. I'll do Jig into Reel, that's what I'll do. That's what I'll do. There's a maiden young and fair, her eyes they shone like diamonds, she had long and golden hair. When a countryman came riding up to her father's gate, he rode on a milk-white stallion, he came at the stroke of eight. Step it on Mary, my friend daughter, step it on Mary if you can. Step it on Mary, my friend daughter, show your legs to the countryman. I have come to wed your daughter, Mary of the golden hair. I have gold and I have silver, I have goods beyond compare. I will buy for her 6 satins and a golden for her hand. I will buy for her a mansion, she'll have servants to command. Step it on Mary, my friend daughter, step it on Mary if you can. Step it on Mary, my friend daughter, show your legs to the countryman. Step it on Mary, my friend daughter, step it on Mary if you can. Step it on Mary, my friend daughter, show your legs to the countryman. Kilgorey, there's a maiden young and fair. Her eyes shone like diamonds, she had long golden hair. And a countryman came riding up to her father's gate. He rode on a milk-white stallion, he came at the stroke of 8. Stepping on Mary, my fine daughter, stepping on Mary if you can. Now Mary, my fine daughter, show your legs to the countryman. Your daughter Mary of the golden hair. I have gold and I have silver, I have goods beyond compare. I will buy for her silk satins and a golden for her hand. I will buy for her a mansion, she loves service to command. Step it on Mary, my fine daughter, step it on Mary if you can. Step it on Mary, my fine daughter, show your legs to the countryman. Sir, I love a soldier, I have pledged to him my hand. I don't want your gold nor silver, I don't want your house nor land. We sat or smoke him sharply, you will do as you're told. You will marry him on Sunday, you will wear that ring of gold. Oh, step it on Mary, my fine daughter, step it on Mary if you can. Well, step it on Mary, my fine daughter, show your legs to the countryman. Village of Kilgorey, there's a deep stream running by. They found Mary there at midnight, she had drowned with her soldier boy. In the village there is music, you can hear her father say, well, step it down Mary, my fine daughter, Sunday is your wedding. My fine daughter, step it down Mary if you can. Step it down Mary, my fine daughter, show your legs to the countryman. Step it down Mary, my fine daughter, step it down Mary if you can. Step it down Mary, my fine daughter, show your legs to the countryman. Step it on Mary, my fine daughter, step it on Mary if you can. Step it on Mary, my fine daughter, show your legs to the countryman. Step it on Mary, my fine daughter, step it on Mary if you can. Step it on Mary, my fine daughter, show your legs to the countryman. Thanks very much, Step It Out Mary. And for that was for Paul O'Brien was looking for that one there. And the Gamblers. I don't know now music, Paul, but it's definitely on the list. Not but the same old story. Okay. And then I have a Super Trooper. I'll try a verse of, or the first few lines of Super Trooper, see how far I get with it, see what my memory did. I know there's some it goes somewhere funny at the end. There's like a bridge in it. I don't know it. Well, maybe you might settle for a verse and a chorus. What do you think, Katie Louise? Would you? Thanks very much, guys. Thanks, Renata. Thanks, Katie. Thanks, Jolene. No request for all I want is you. Got a little Vega Boys feel to it. Gotta love the build. Terry Terrace. Oh, your request on Twitch. I'm very What's the Paul O'Lanigan's feels you're ignoring his request key. Oh, Boys of the Old Brigade and the Old Triangle. I could do them ones there for sure as well. Oh, what else was where am I, by the way? What's this? Is that open? What's a new Young Chop? I forget what I was going to do there. I read here Mary there as well. I said I was going to do something though. Not with the same old story. I'll do that one for you. I haven't done that one in ages. And that's another one that I miss for Bowie for sure. Jesus, I haven't done this one in fucking ages. Okay. I'll try it here. I'll try it. Let's see how far we get it. Excuse me. Oh, I'll try it in F. Let's Bowie for the old guitar for this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, fucking hell. Just about 19 when I landed on their shore with my eyes big as headlights. Like the thousands and thousands that came before, I was gonna be something. I smiled at the man scrutinizing my face as I stepped down off at the gangway. Came down through their city where I worked for Maddie's a year, built 100 houses. Pulled off 1,000,000 pints of beer, living under suspicion, putting up with the hatred and fear in their eyes. You can see that you're nothing but a murderer. Yeah, in their eyes, you're nothing but a bunch of murderers. So hey Johnny, can't wait till Saturday night. Got a thirst that's raging. I know a place where we can put that right, wash away the confusion. Goes down the siren side, but look out. Yeah, I said look out, cause I'll tear you into pieces if you cross me. I'm sick of watching them break up. Every time some bird brain puts us down, making jokes on the radio. I guess it helps them all drown out the sound of the crumbling foundations. Any fool can see the writings on the wall, but they just don't believe that it's happening. There's a crowd says I'm alright. Say they like my turn of phrase, take me round to their parties. Like a dressed up monkey in a cage and I play my accordion. Whoa, but one of mine the facade, it's nothing but the same old story. Yeah, in their eyes, it's nothing but the same old stories. So hey Johnny, can't wait for Saturday night. Got a thirst that's raging. I know a place where we can put that right, wash away the confusion. Rolls down the siren side, but look out. I said look out, cause I'll tear you into pieces if you cross me. 2, 3, 4. Brother in Boston said he sent me on the fair, just wrote me a letter making out that he's cleaning up out there. 2 cars in the driveway and a summer house way down in the Cape. I know he'd fix me up in the morning. I've been thinking about it. But it seems so far to go. People say in the winter you get lost underneath the snow. There's this girl from my home place. We've been planning to move back and give it a try. So I never got around to going. Yeah, that's why I never got around to going. So hey Johnny, can't wait for Saturday night. Got a thirst that's raging. I know a place where we can put that right. Wash away the confusion. Oh, sound is fire inside, but look out. Yeah, I say look out. Yeah, I say look out. 'Cause I'll tear you into pieces if you cross me. 2, 3, 4. Tear you into pieces if you cross me. That was nothing but the same old story, written in, released anyway, in 1981 on Hard Station. Let me put back that a little bit. Let me do it a little bit here as well. Oh yeah, Super Trooper. I didn't do this before, and I know there's a. I know it goes somewhere funny there. Let's just see. Let's just see for a second. Where is it? Okay, let's try. If I did a. Let me see. What would this be like? So, called you last night from Glasgow. All I do is eat and sing, wishing every show was the last show. So imagine I'm glad to hear you coming. Suddenly I feel alright. Yeah, and it's gonna be so different on the stage with you tonight. 'Cause the super trooper beams are gonna blind me, but I won't feel blue like I always do. 'Cause somewhere in the crowd there's you. Tonight the super trooper lights are gonna find me, shining like the sun, smiling, having fun, feeling like I'm number one. Facing 20,000 of your friends, how can anyone be so lonely? Part of sex that never ends, still I'm thinking about you only. There are moments when I think I'm going crazy, but I think it's gonna be alright. Everything will be so different on the stage tonight. 2, 3. The super trooper lights are gonna find me, shining like the sun, smiling, having fun, but feeling like I'm number one. Tonight the super trooper beams are gonna blind me, but I won't feel blue like I always do. 'Cause somewhere in the crowd there's you. I'll be there when you arrive. The sight of you will prove me that I'm still alive. And when you take me in your arms and hold me tight, I know it's gonna mean so much for you tonight. That's fine. Tonight the super troopers are gonna find me, shining like the sun, smiling, having fun, feeling like a number one. Tonight the super troopers lights are gonna find me, like I don't feel blue like I always do. 'Cause somewhere in the crowd there's you. Tonight the super trooper lights are gonna find me, shining like the sun, smiling, having fun, feeling like a number one, feeling like a number one, feeling like a number one. Feel like number two after that. Oh. Did all my recording. Cool. Okay. That was a bit of Super Trooper there anyway. I know there's a bit there in the middle. I'm not sure if most of it. I'm not sure anyway, but I'll have to try and learn that one. That was for Katie Louise, and I know she was looking for other ones, a few other ones there as well. What was it? Monto, Rare Old Mountain Dew, Hand Me Down My Bible, and Sick Note. I don't know the Sick Note. Might be able to try the Bible and Monto. Definitely know. I know Rare Mountain Juice. That's the Skilly Little Die. Okay, and then so I did all that last list there. I didn't do Summertime, Paddy. I don't do that one. A few reels. I might try a few reels in a little bit. Yeah, I'm coming fairly close to wrapping up soon. Enough, but keep firing in the requests there, lads. If I missed them, I'm sorry. But I'll check on the old Twitch here now as well, and YouTube. Because it's pointless at me looking at that other thing. I cannot see it. Let me go back on the Twitch here again. Cancel out. And we can start thinking about people to raid as well in the next 20 so minutes. I'm not losing all the chat on Twitch because I just jumped into it. Motherfucker. Disaster. A bang on the ear. Oh, Jesus. Jane Gardner is watching there as well. Oh, they're just sending the messages. Oh, jeebus. Oh, be Jesus. Oh, there's a good... John, there's a good scalp there. Okay, what's that? Swing Through the Fair. I'll do that one for Paddy Kiwi, and then oh yeah, I have that one done. I didn't do. I can't do that. I don't do in the Summertime, Paddy, and I didn't have the same old story. Listun Varna, I don't know. I just know the chorus, but I can pop that in somewhere. And the chorus is basically just Listun Varna. Finnegan's Wake for Paul, and I don't do Pencil Full of Lead, but I have Paolo Nutini on my list. Oh, Red Hair Mary, yeah. I don't do Tennessee Whiskey, and to be honest, I'm not even gone at that song, but I'll have another listen to it there, see if I can. And I don't do Breakfast Roll either, Katie. I don't do that one. Katie, Sarah Louise, Easy and Slow. Am I the only one who doesn't know that song, Easy and Slow? For Finnegan's Wake for Paul Lanigan, and so I'll do Finnegan's Wake, and I'll do to start off here. And I don't do Pencil Full of Lead. I can't do that one. I don't know that one. Boys Roll Brigade, I could do that one now. Triangle Red Mary, I could do a few reels. I might do it on the tenor guitar. I'll get it there. I'll get a few cans. She Moved Through the Fair. I'll do that. She Moved Through the Fair first of all, and then I'll do Finnegan's Wake, and then I'll get through them there. That's the way I'll do it. Okay. Fuck that shit up. I kept hitting the wrong button on my keyboard, and I kept stopping the. I record all the streams, and I kept stopping the stream and deleting the recordings. So the stream is gone anyway. Okay, so this is let's move through the fair. My young love said to me, my mother won't mind, and my father won't slight you for the look of your kind. And she laid her hand on me, and this she did say, it will not be long, love, until our wedding day. And she went away from me, and she moved through the fair. Well, fondly I watched her move here and move there, and then she went onward, the swan star awake, like the swan in the evening moves over the lake. Last night she came to me, my dead love came in. So softly she moved that her feet made no din, and she laid her hand on me, and this she did say, oh, it will not be long, love, until our wedding day. Well, my young love said to me, my mother, she won't mind, and my father won't slight you for the look of your kind. And she laid her hand on me, and this she did say, oh, it will not be long, love, until our wedding day. After much, she moved through the fear. Oh, flipping hell. Everybody keeps people keep going live on Twitch. People that I follow on the, I keep clicking on it by accident. Coola Boola. Okay, I'll do what was it? That was for Petty Patrick. Hey Petey. Nice one. I'll do Finnegan's Wake here now for Paul. Paul O'Brien was looking for this one, and let me see if I can, because this one is, I think this one is getting there a little bit. What was it again? Okay. Tim Finnegan lived in Auckland Street, a gentle Irishman, mighty odd. He had a beautiful brogue, so rich and sweet, and to rise in the world he carried a hod. You'd see the start of tipping way, but the love of the liquor poor Tim was born. And to help him on his work each day, he'd drop at the crater every morn. Back for the doll now, down to your partner, on the floor your trotter shake. Wasn't it the truth, I tell you, lots of fun at Finnegan's Wake. Well, one morn Tim was rather full, his head felt heavy which made him shake. He fell off the ladder and he broke his skull, and they carried him off, his corpse to wake. They rolled him up in a nice clean sheet, and they laid him out upon the bed, with a gallon of whiskey at his feet and a barrel of porter at his head. What for the doll now, dance to your partner, on the floor your trotter shake. Wasn't it the truth, I tell you, lots of fun at Finnegan's Wake. Now his friends again assembled at the wake, and Mrs. Finnegan called for lunch. First she brought out tea and cake, then pipes, tobacco and whiskey punch. Then Biddy O'Brien began to cry, such a nice clean corpse you were to see. Oh Tim Mavourney, why did you die, sir? How's your guts, says Biddy Biggie. Whack full of doll now, dance to your partner, round the floor your trotter shake. Wasn't it the truth, I tell you, lots of fun at Finnegan's Wake. Now then Maggie O'Connor took up the job. Oh Biddy, says she, you're wrong I'm sure. Oh Biddy gave her a belt and a gob, and left her sprawling on the floor. Then the war did soon engage, it was woman to woman and man to man. Shillelagh law was all the rage, and around when the ruction soon began. Whack for the doll now, dance to your partner, on the floor your trotter shake. Wasn't it the truth, I tell you, lots of fun at Finnegan's Wake. Now then Mickey Maloney raised his head, when a bucket of whiskey flew at him, and it missed and fallen on the bed. The liquor scattered all over Tim. Tim revives, see how he rises. Tim Mavourney rising from the bed, said, whirl your whiskey around like blazes, Thompson and Jades, as I think I'm dead. Oh, I'm full of doll now, dance to your partner, around the floor your trotter shake. Wasn't it the truth, I tell you, so fun at Finnegan's Wake. I'm full of doll now, dance to your partner, around the call your trotter shake. Wasn't it the truth, I tell you, lots of fun at Finnegan's Wake. How's your old one-game ball? Yep. Finnegan's Wake there for Paul O'Brien was looking for that one there. Nice one, mate. Nice one, Paul. I think I have that one now more or less down. Not without the words, but I have it kind of just a little bit tongue-tied there in a little bit, but yeah, got it. Right. Kevin Fitzpatrick played to play Billy Reid. I'll do that one for you, Kevin. I'm working off a set list there as well, but I'll do it absolutely for you, pal. I might do it as part of the as the other one here, the little the Boys to Go Brigade. I'll do it before that and into it. And All I Want Is You and Mary Triangle. That might, what I have there now in front of me might be all I could squeeze in here. Shut hot now, Kieran. Good man, Paul. You have to say that though, pal. You have to. It's about time, says you. Because I have a couple of songs, you know, I need to be wrapping up pretty soon. There, it is Prosecco night, and we don't have any Prosecco. She's a bit of wine down below, but I think it could be gone by the time we get to it. So I could be having a few cans. Finnegan's Wake, I did that. So I'll do Billy Reid, Boys of the Old Brigade. I'll do The Old Triangle, Red Haired Mary, Set of Reels, and All I Want Is You. So there's 6 or 7 things there. So I might not be able to squeeze that in there. And if someone bursts into hear something, let me know. How's it? Oh yeah, so Billy Reid, do Billy Reid here, and the Boys of the Old Brigade. Well, I'll sing you a song of a terrible wrong, when the flags they all stood at half-mast. Of a man he lay dead, he lay riddled with lead, and he died on the streets of Belfast. All the radio said, there's another shot dead, and he died with a gun in his hand. And they never said why Billy Reid had to die, but he died free Ireland. Well, it happened one day when the bold IRA set out to fight for their land. With an old Thompson gun, they put the troops on the run. To return to their home was their plan. All the radios said, there's another shot dead, and he died with the gun in his hand. And they never said why Billy Reid had to die, but he died to free Ireland. While returning them guns, Billy met with the Huns, and when the fight had begun, his position was dire, and his gun wouldn't fire, so he died with an old Thompson gun. All the radio said, there's another shot dead, and he died with a gun in his hand. And they never said why Billy Reid had to die. He died to free Ireland. Although he lay dead, he lay kicked in the head by the hair. They dragged him around, and they still fear him yet, and they'll never forget how brave Billy Reid stood his ground. On the radio said, there's another shot dead, and he died with the gun in his hand. And they never said why Billy Reid had to die. He died to free Ireland. If you think he was right, come join in the fight and help us to free our Belfast. For the blood that he shed, and although he lay dead, in our hearts his memory will last. All the radio said, there's another shot dead, and he died with a gun in his hand. And they never said why Billy Reid had to die. Died to free Ireland. All the radio said, there's another shot dead, and he died with a gun in his hand. And they never said why Billy Reid had to die, but he died to free Ireland. Yes, he died to free Ireland. Yes, he died to free our Ireland. Oh, Father, why are you so sad on this fine Easter morn, when Irishmen were proud and glad of the land where they were born? Oh, son, I see in memories few how far off distant days when being just a lad like you, I joined the IRA. Where are the lads who stood with me when history was made? Oh, Cromacree, I long to see the boys of the old brigade. From hills and farms a call to arms was heard by one and by all. Oh, and from the glen came brave young men to answer Ireland's call. Well, 'twas long ago we faced the foe, the old brigade and me. Oh, and by my side they fought and they died that Ireland might be free. Where are the lads who stood with me when history was made? Oh, Cromacree, I long to see the boys of the old brigade. And now, my boy, I've told you why on Easter morn I sigh, for I recall my comrades all from the dark old days gone by. Well, I think of men who fought in Glen with rifles and grenade. Well, may heaven keep the men who sleep from the ranks of the old brigade. Where are the lads who stood with me when history was made? Oh, Cromacree, I long to see the boys of the old brigade. Where are the lads who stood with me when history was made? Oh, Cromacree, I long to see the boys of the old brigade. The boys of the old brigade. The boys of the old brigade. Thanks very much, the boys of the Old Brigade and Billy Reid there. That was for Katie Louise looking for that one there, and it was Kevin Fitzpatrick that was looking for that one there. Billy Reid there before that. Here's the old triangle, guys, and I see if I can get all these ones in. I know I'm probably missing something there, and but I will be streaming on. I'm hoping to be streaming on probably. Wednesday. It's going to be Tuesday or Wednesday, I'd say, but more than likely it's going to be Wednesday. So, if whatever I don't get to on this stream, I'll see you on Wednesday exclusively on Twitch, and it means I can be focusing on one chat as well, and I can probably pick up any of the songs that I didn't get this time round. And you can always play them back as well, you know, you can always do the old playback as well. But I'd love to see you on Twitch. If you search Keefin Music on Twitch, don't be afraid of Twitch. It's just another thing like Facebook or something like that, or YouTube. It can be an app on your phone, or it can be on your laptop, Twitch TV or anything like that. It might be on your television. It's very easy to set up. Any of the guys there on the chat will vouch for you. They'll tell you that it's pretty easy to set up and go on to it. And that's where I'll be anyway. On Wednesday, I've still a few more songs too for you of the Old Triangle, Redhead Mary. Maybe a set of reels. I'll get the banjo down, see if I can do something. Maybe, or I'll get the tenor guitar downstairs. If I can squeeze into the last 10 minutes here. And All I Want Is You. Is that the U2 one? Is that the one you're looking for there? All I Want Is You. Katie, I think was looking for that one. Two more in the messages. Oh shit. Rare All Times. Okay, Tom Pitton's Bones. Okay, let me just do this one here first, and then I'll get to them ones. A hungry feeling came o'er me stealing, and the mice were squealing in my prison cell, and the old triangle when jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal Canal. The lags they sleeping, not because he was peeping, as I lay there dreaming of my girl Sal and the old triangle. When jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal Canal, to begin the morning, a screw was bowling. Get up, you bowsy, and clean out yourself and the old triangle. When jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal Canal, I wish to Jesus he'd raise me wages from £2.50 up to £3.10, and the old triangle. When jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal Canal, up in the female prison, there are 75 women, and 'tis there among them I wish I did dwell, and the old triangle. When jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal Canal, the wind was sighing, the day declining, as I lay there pining over my girl Sal and the old triangle. When jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal Canal, and the old triangle. When jingle jangle all along the banks, all along the banks, all along the banks of the Royal Canal. July, a frightened girl came up behind me. Red-haired Mary, died at highway to come with me. Me red-haired Mary, the donkey he can carry too. She looked at me, her eyes a twinkle, the cheeks she were all rosy hue. Thank the kindly sir, she answered, then she tossed her right with hair. Says I, I'll how the donkey if you ride with me to the Dingle Fair. When we reached the town, the Dingle, she got me hand to say goodbye. When a tinker he came up behind me, hit me right in my left eye. Take her hands off red hair Mary, she and I are to be wed. We were with the priest this early morn, like we'll lie in our marriage bed. Will you take her hands off red hair Mary, she and I are to be wed. We were with the priest this early morn, tonight we'll lie in our marriage bed. My poor eye was sad and sore. I kicked the tinker with me hobnail, knocked him through Tom Murphy's door. He got up top, me the sadder, the tallest man you ever did meet. He tapped me gently with his knuckle, now I'm missing two front teeth. And she, the happy Colleen man with you, I go, she said, never mind the priestess for any morn. Tonight we'll sleep in Murphy's shed. Take her hands off red hair Mary, she and I are to be wed. We were with the priestess for any morn, tonight we'll lie in our marriage bed. Will you take her hands off red hair Mary, she and I are to be wed. We were with the priest this early morning, tonight we'll lie in our marriage bed. Yep. Around the corner came a peeler, told him I had broke the law. The donkey kicked him on the knee, he fell down and broke his jaw. Together, my black eye and her red hair, gazing gaily at the tinker, weren't we the happy pair? Take her hands off red hair Mary, she and I are to be wed. We were with the priest this early morn, tonight we'll lie in our marriage bed. Will you take her hands off red hair Mary, she and I are to be wed. We were with the priest this early morn, tonight we'll lie in our marriage bed. Take her hands off red hair Mary, she and I are to be wed. We were with the priest this early morn, tonight we'll lie in our marriage bed. Will you take her hands off red hair Mary, she and I are to be wed. We were with the priest this early morn, tonight we'll lie in our marriage bed. Out one evening by the river at discontent, I bumped straight into old Tom Payne as running down the road he went. He said, I can't stop right now, child, King George is after me, and he'd have a rope around my throat and hang me from the Liberty Tree. Or I will dance the Tom Payne's bones, dance the Tom Payne's bones, dance in the oldest flutes I own, to the rhythm of Tom Payne's bones. I will dance the Tom Payne's bones, dance the Tom Payne's bones, dance in the oldest boots I own, the rhythm of Tom Payne's bones. They say I talked about freedom and justice for everyone, but ever since the very first word I spoke, I've been looking down the barrel of a gun. Now they say I preached revolution. Let me say in my defense that all I ever did, wherever I went, was to speak a lot of common sense. For I will dance the Tom Payne's bones, dance the Tom Payne's bones, dance in the oldest boots I own, to the rhythm of Tom Payne's bones. I will dance the Tom Payne's bones, dance the Tom Payne's bones, dance in the oldest boots I own, the rhythm of Tom Payne's bones. Yeah, yeah. Tom Payne, he ran so fast, he left me standing still, and there I was, a piece of paper in my hand, standing at the top of the hill. It said, this is the age of reason, the rights of men. Kick off religion and monarchy was written there in Tom Paine's plan. I will dance the Tom Paine's bones, dance the Tom Paine's bones, dance in the oldest boots I own to the rhythm of Tom Paine's bones. I will dance the Tom Paine's bones, dance the Tom Paine's bones, dance in the oldest boots I own to the rhythm of Tom Paine's bones. Now old Tom Paine, there he lies, and nobody laughs and nobody cries. How he goes or how he fares, nobody knows and nobody cares. For I will dance to Tom Paine's bones, dance to Tom Paine's bones, dance in the oldest boots I own to the rhythm of Tom Paine's bones. I will dance to Tom Paine's bones, dance to Tom Paine's bones, dance in the oldest boots I own to the rhythm of Tom Paine's bones. I will dance to Tom Paine's bones, dance to Tom Paine's bones, dance in the oldest boots I own to the rhythm of Tom Paine's bones. I will dance to Tom Paine's bones, dance to Tom Paine's bones, dance in the oldest boots I own to the rhythm of Tom Paine's bones. I will dance to Tom Paine's bones, dance to Tom Paine's bones, dance in the oldest boots I own to the rhythm of Tom Paine's bones, to the rhythm of Tom Paine's bones, to the rhythm of Tom Paine's bones. Champions. That was then I was looking for that one there, but they were looking for yesterday. I think it was could have been Daniela was looking for that one there, and I think Jack Fight was looking for it there last night. We've got to do it there as well, and I do see Proud Mary coming in here as well, that I missed. But Rare Old Times and a few reels. Will I get to the reels? Will I postpone them until Wednesday maybe? What would you think of that? Because I don't even know what way that. I didn't even. Blah blah blah. Excuses. I'm gonna have to. I'll leave off the reels until Wednesday. I don't have my fiddle, so I'd have to try and practice some on the banjo or the tenor guitar, and but I'll do where is it here? I'll do, what was it called again? I'll do Rare All Times, Dublin Rare All Times, and All I Want Is You. Or maybe I'll do All I Want Is You first, because I'm less sure of that one. I believe, and that's the U2 one, Katie. Is that right? I think that's. You say. I'll try this one here. There's the U2 one, is that right? Yeah, I don't have my fiddle. It'll never happen. So what's the song? What's the All I Want? Is it the one that we did yesterday with Bowie? Was it? Is that the one you're looking for? All I Want Is You. Let me know which one it is there. Do the reels Wednesday. Okay. One you play for the wedding. Yeah, that's one the Bowie does there. If it is called All I Want Is You. Actually, you're right. All I Want Is You. Would you be my bride? Yeah, that's a Bowie song. You have to wait for the Finn's stream for that one, and for Paddy's one as well. Was looking for the summertime. So I'll have to. You'll have to wait for them ones. I'll do Katie, do you mind if we hold the Rover set for Wednesday? I can hear the thirst setting in a key. That's so funny. John looking out for me. Fair play, pal. There's no bother. What's the Rover set though? What is the Rover set? Thanks very much. Yeah, Trash is in there. How you, pal? Adrian Tracy there. I didn't see there. I might not have looked at the chat here for the last half an hour or something like that. But I'm going to do Dublin in the rare all times to finish up with, lads. And I know I'll be doing Catherine Bryan just looking for Proud Mary as well. So I'll do Proud Mary, set of reels, and a few other ones I didn't get to on Wednesday. So thanks for listening anyway. I'll do rare all times, and then we'll rate someone on Twitch and go from there. So here's Dublin in the rare all times. One of my favourite Irish songs, actually, to be honest. In songs and stories, heroes of renown, the passing tales and glories that once was Dublin town, the hallowed halls and houses, the haunting children's rhymes that once was Dublin city in the rare old times. Ring a rosy, as the light declines, I remember Dublin city in the rare old times. My name it is Sean Dempsey, as Dublin as can be, born hard and late in Pimlico, in a house that ceased to be. By trade it was a cooper, lost out to redundancy. Oh, like my house that fell to progress, my trade's a memory. Ring a rosy, as the light declines, I remember Dublin city in the rare old times. I courted Peggy dining, as pretty as can be, a rogue and a child of Mary from the rebel liberties. Oh, I lost her to a student chap with skin as black as coal, when he took her off to Birmingham, she took away my soul. Ring a rosy, as the light declines, I remember Dublin city in the rare old times. The years have made me bitter, the gargle dims me brain. Well, for Dublin keeps on changing, and nothing seems the same. The pillar and the Met have gone, the Royal long since pulled down, as the grey unyielding concrete makes the city of my town. Ring a rosy, as the light declines, I remember Dublin city in the rare old times. Fare thee well, Anna Liffey, I can no longer stay and watch the new glass cages spring up along the quay. My mind's too full of memories, too old to hear new chimes. Well, I'm part of what was Dublin in the rare old times. Ring-a-ring-a Rosie, as the light declines, I remember Dublin city in the rare old times. Ring-a-ring-a Rosie, as the light declines, I remember Dublin city in the rare old times. That's it for me, guys. And so, as I was saying, if I missed the request, or if there's someone there you see chatting, putting in the comments, and they're getting frustrated, the request is going unnoticed there, give them just tag them there or something there, I'll reply to them there and put in the request there, and I'll get to it on Wednesday for sure. And apologies if I didn't give you a mention or anything like that, but I was kind of focusing more on just trying to get through the songs there than doing the old chatting there, because that's kind of what it's about as well, isn't it? It's about playing a few songs for sure. So thanks if you joined us on Twitch, or if you joined me on YouTube for sure, and if you join me on Facebook as well. I'm delighted that to have you on the stream there. I'm trying to build the old Twitch stream as well, and trying to build the old YouTube and the Facebook as well, so I'm delighted to have anyone on anything. I think Katie Louise took on my request, Kelly. No bother. Just put it in caps. Yeah, for sure. I wasn't really reading as much though, the comments today, and I didn't really set myself up properly here to look through them. I have to admit. And I don't have my glasses. So, thanks very much, Renata. Ciao. Buona notte. And for people who are on Twitch, do you want to raid anyone? We're not really, there's not many people on Twitch, but there's nothing's going on with that. So I don't have 9 viewers. I can raid a few people if you wanted. If anyone wanted it, Emily McVicker. Thanks. Okay, I'll do that one. Emily McVicker. So what was it again? Raid. What was it again, John? Jesus, John, you'll kill me. / raid space Emily McVicker. Emily McVicker. I'll just have that ready there. Emily McVicker. Okay, I'm ready to go. So, guys, thanks very much. Appreciate it. And thanks to people there who were popping through a couple of the tips there as well from the PayPal link as well. It's greatly appreciated. It keeps the old keeps the repairs going for the old equipment and stuff like that for sure. And as Paul O'Brien was giving out to me, he says stop buying cans of Guinness with the tip money. But yeah, I have a couple of my lights broke and all that kind of stuff, so I was able to replace them there. I'll have to give you now a tour of the studio there after the next stream. So you guys are helping keeping the streams going, in fairness. Cool. Okay, so we're happy with her, that girl on Thingy Magic. Yeah, raid time. We're going to do a raid if you want to pop around to Twitch. And if you're not on Twitch, guys, and you wouldn't mind listening to a Wednesday stream or a midweek stream, a Tuesday or Wednesday. I can't do Thursday because I actually have a normal live gig. And yeah, thanks to John there. Yeah, John is was helping me out there right there with the requests. So he was taking your requests, and it was a bit massive help, John. Thanks very much, pal. I'll buy you a pint when I see you. So class stuff. I don't want to start mentioning names because I don't want to forget someone there. So thanks very much, and I'll see you on Wednesday. I'm going to do this raid. I'm going to raid here on Twitch. So that means anyone who's watching my stream on Twitch right now, when it ends, will get automatically dumped onto another stream. So there's 9 people or something watching on it. 10 now. 10 people watching on it. So we're going to do it now. So 7 viewers are ready to raid. And let's see what she says. Okay, so raid now. Here we go.
Let's try suddenly. I see that's actually a great idea.
I don't know, is she American or is she Canadian?
Let's try something.
She got the loop going on.
Keefin Music, welcome in.
Alright, no bother. I can have my 10 viewers there, no bother. No bother. Am I going to get a song? Going to give me a song? Anyway, yeah. So check out Twitch. They're normally crazy talented. See?
Catherine Bryant, hello. Sorry, I'm trying a new song.
Two microphones, interesting. I'd love to know what she's doing with that. Who's that again? What's the artist? The Cherry Tree Girl, isn't it? Oh, Cherry Tree. Anyway, that's it. Anyway, guys, no, my viewership is dropping like mad here. Just trying to tell you there that there's super talented people on Twitch. Check them out there. You know, they're as I said before, whatever notions you have as a musician, go onto Twitch and you'll be fairly grounded. Because they're absolutely amazing on there, and people will tell you there that's great. Tobias, Kieran, I'm just coming back from work. I get all the cutting stuff done. I have to download the other stuff, Tobias, so thanks very much, pal. Appreciate that. Guys, have to leave it off at that. I'm probably going to be in trouble now, so thanks very much for listening, and I'm going to cancel the old stream here. So thanks very much, and I'll see you. I'll probably see you on Wednesday, and enjoy Emily Vickers there. If you're on Twitch there, I'll put it on here when I'm listening to it, when I'm wrapping up. And have a good one, and see you on Wednesday.